Hedge and welcome to Denmark. This enchanting nation, renowned for its happy citizens and charming lifestyle, is a place where tradition meets modernity. It also boasts a thriving job market with opportunities in various sectors such as technology, healthcare, and education. Whether you're an experienced professional or a recent graduate, Denmark offers a wealth of opportunities. The country is known for its inclusive work culture and emphasis on professional growth. Imagine cycling through Copenhagen's colorful streets on your way to work, enjoying the fresh air and scenic views. Then, taking a break to savor a delicious pastry during your fika break, a cherished tradition that brings a moment of relaxation to your day. And experiencing the Danish concept of hygge with your colleagues, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere at work. Denmark welcomes skilled individuals from around the globe, valuing diversity and international talent. The country values innovation and a strong work-life balance, ensuring that employees can thrive both professionally and personally. With its competitive salaries and excellent social welfare system, Denmark provides a secure and fulfilling environment for its workforce. The social benefits extend to healthcare, education, and family support, making it an ideal place to settle. But how do you make your dream of working in Denmark a reality? The process might seem daunting, but it's quite manageable with the right guidance. It all starts with obtaining the right visa. Understanding the requirements and preparing your documents is the first step. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, making your transition to Denmark as smooth as Danish butter. From visa application to settling in, we've got you covered. Denmark offers various work visa options tailored to different professions and skill sets. Two primary schemes stand out: the pay limit scheme and the positive list. The pay limit scheme is designed for individuals offered a high salary, typically above a certain threshold set annually. If your job offer meets the salary requirement, the pay limit scheme offers a streamlined path. The positive list is another option. Denmark maintains a positive list of occupations experiencing a shortage of skilled workers. If your profession is on this list, you'll have an advantage in the application process. But don't worry if your profession isn't on the positive list. Other visa options cater to entrepreneurs, researchers, and those with specific skills. Remember, understanding the visa categories is crucial. It helps you identify the right path based on your qualifications and job offer. Before you dive into the application process, it's vital to ensure you meet the basic eligibility criteria for a Danish work visa. This step is crucial as it saves you time and effort in the long run. These typically include a valid passport, which must be valid for at least 3 months beyond your intended stay in Denmark. Make sure your passport is up to date to avoid any last-minute hassles. You'll generally need a concrete job offer from a Danish company to be eligible for a work visa. This job offer should be in writing and include details about your role and salary. Financial stability is also important. You need to show that you can support yourself financially while living in Denmark. You must demonstrate sufficient financial means to support yourself during your stay. This can be shown through recent bank statements, savings, or proof of income. This can be proven through bank statements, employment contracts, or sponsorship documents. Having multiple forms of proof can strengthen your application. A clean criminal record is essential, as a background check is standard procedure. This ensures that you have no legal issues that could prevent you from entering Denmark. These are just the fundamental requirements. Meeting these criteria is the first step in your journey to working in Denmark. Specific visa categories may have additional criteria, so always consult the official Danish Immigration Service website, or the Danish Embassy, or consulate in your home country for the most up-to-date information. Staying informed will help you navigate the process more smoothly. Finding a job is often the first hurdle in your Danish work adventure. Start your search online, exploring job portals and company websites. Networking is also valuable. Attend industry events or connect with professionals on LinkedIn. When applying for jobs, tailor your resume and cover letter to Danish standards. Highlight your skills and experience relevant to the position and Danish work culture. Be prepared for interviews, often conducted in English, especially in international companies. Once you receive a job offer, review it carefully. Ensure it meets the salary requirements for your chosen visa category, especially if you're applying through the pay limit scheme. A clear and detailed job offer is crucial for your visa application. Section 5. Gathering your papers, the visa application checklist. This section will guide you through the essential documents you need to prepare for a successful visa application. With a job offer in hand, it's time to gather the necessary documents for your visa application. This step is crucial as it ensures that you have all the required paperwork to support your application. These documents serve as proof of your identity, qualifications, and eligibility. They help the authorities verify your background and ensure that you meet the visa requirements. First, you'll need your original passport, which should be valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay, and passport-size photographs that meet Danish visa photo requirements. Make sure these photos are recent and adhere to the specified guidelines. Next, provide a copy of your signed employment contract. This document confirms your job offer and outlines the terms of your employment, or a detailed job offer letter outlining your position, salary, and start date. This letter should be on official company letterhead and include all relevant details. Include certified copies of your diplomas, degrees, and professional certificates. These documents demonstrate your educational background and professional qualifications. If your documents aren't in English or Danish, you'll need official translations. Ensure that these translations are done by a certified translator. You might also need to show proof of accommodation in Denmark, which can be a lease agreement or a hotel reservation, such as a lease agreement or hotel reservation. This helps confirm that you have a place to stay during your time in Denmark. Keep in mind that this list is not exhaustive. Depending on your specific situation, additional documents may be required. Additional documents, such as a CV, letter of motivation, can provide further context about your professional background and reasons for moving to Denmark, or proof of work experience, which can include reference letters or a portfolio of your previous work, might be required depending on your specific circumstances. Make sure to double-check the requirements and prepare all necessary documents to avoid any delays in your application process. Section 6. Applying online, your digital gateway to Denmark. Denmark has embraced the digital age and the visa application process is primarily online. Visit the official website of the Danish Immigration Service or the Danish Embassy or Consulate in your country to access the online application portal. Create an account, select the appropriate visa category, and carefully complete the application form. Provide accurate and consistent information, double-checking your entries before submitting. You'll be asked to upload scanned copies of your supporting documents during the online application. Ensure your scans are clear, legible, and in the accepted file formats. Section 7. Paying your visa fees, a necessary step. Once you've submitted your online application, you'll need to pay the visa processing fee. The fee amount varies depending on your nationality and the type of visa you're applying for. You can typically pay the fee online using a credit card or debit card. Some embassies or consulates might also accept other payment methods such as bank transfers. After making the payment, save the receipt. It serves as proof of payment and is often required during subsequent steps in the visa process. Section 8. Biometrics and interviews, showcasing your identity. After submitting your online application and paying the fee, you'll likely be required to attend an appointment at a Danish visa application center or embassy. During this appointment, you'll provide your biometric data, which includes your fingerprints and a photograph. This step is crucial for identity verification and security purposes. In some cases, you might also be invited for an interview with a consular officer. The interview allows them to assess your intentions for coming to Denmark and to clarify any details in your application. Section 9. The waiting game, visa processing time. With your biometrics collected and the interview, if required, completed, the waiting game begins. Visa processing times vary depending on the type of visa, the volume of applications, and your individual circumstances. It's advisable to apply well in advance of your intended travel date to allow ample processing time. You can track the status of your application online through the Danish Immigration Service website, or by contacting the embassy or consulate where you submitted your application. During the processing period, be patient and avoid making any non-refundable travel arrangements until you receive your visa decision. Section 10. Welcome to Denmark. Registering your stay. Congratulations. You've received your Danish work visa and are ready to embark on your Danish adventure. Upon arrival in Denmark, you'll need to register with the Danish authorities to obtain your Civil Registration Number, or CPR. The CPR number is essential for various aspects of life in Denmark, including opening a bank account, accessing healthcare, and paying taxes. You can register for your CPR number at your local citizen service center, known as Borger Service, within 5 days of arriving in Denmark. Remember to bring your passport, visa, and proof of address in Denmark, such as a lease agreement, to your CPR registration appointment. Section 11. Your Danish adventure awaits. Final tips and encouragement. Congratulations on successfully navigating the Danish work visa process. You're now one step closer to experiencing the wonders of working and living in Denmark. Remember to pack for all seasons, as Denmark's weather can be unpredictable. Embrace the Danish concept of hygge by creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere at home and at work. Be open to new experiences, connect with locals and fellow expats, and immerse yourself in the Danish culture. Learning a bit of Danish will go a long way in enhancing your experience and integration into Danish society. Your Danish adventure awaits. Embrace the challenges and rewards that come with living and working in this beautiful and welcoming country. Held OG Licky, good luck!